Microcontrollers are programmable computer chips that act as the brains of electronic devices. In most cases, the electronic devices that use microcontrollers are categorized as embedded systems. Embedded systems are electrical or electromechanical systems that contain a programmable computer chip, that is a microcontroller, but are not intended to be a traditional personal or business computer. Unlike general-purpose computers, embedded systems perform specific, dedicated functions that use both hardware, things you can touch, and software, instructions for the microcontroller to complete a predefined task. Let's go back to our thermostat example. A thermostat is an embedded system. It has inputs like air temperature and humidity, and a number of push buttons that the microcontroller monitors. Based upon its instructions, the thermostat's microcontroller will then adjust a number of outputs like the display, fans, air conditioners, or furnace. Now, there are different types of thermostats, and their embedded system's brain, that is the microcontroller, will have its own unique instructions to monitor and control different types of inputs and outputs. However, regardless of the type of inputs and outputs a thermostat has, it is still a thermostat. This ties directly back to the idea that embedded systems perform dedicated functions that use both hardware, things you can touch, and software, instructions for the microcontroller, to complete a predefined task. I can't simply turn one embedded system, like a thermostat, into a different type of embedded system, like a television, simply by changing its instructions. Remember, embedded systems are electrical or electromechanical systems that contain a programmable computer chip to perform dedicated functions to complete a predefined task. Next, we're going to introduce the concept of a microcontroller program, that is, its unique instructions that define what an embedded system does.